You take my canola bars.
Craig, really?
Yeah. Like, one day he actually wrote like,
Craig!
Really?
Really?
Yeah, I was like, take my canola bars. I don't care.
Maybe that means something.
Actually, someone asked me one day if I like them, like, I like them fine, but I don't know, but and then he's like, that's just because I'm black.
He's joking.
Goodwill. People
Goodwill.
ask me if I like them, I'm racist.
Really? He's just joking. Construction worker.
I don't know if they are.
People working? Yeah. Yep. People dig the crane job.
That smells nice. I smell them the way they came here.
I can't smell anything.
Yeah, smells like newer.
Really?
I'm sure why they have it out here though. Usually it's in the country. Oh, it's so hot.
Take your sweater off. Oh, did I spit on you?
No.
Oh, sorry.
You almost spit on my hand.
Oh.
I walked to school yesterday.
Yeah, no, you told me.
Why the hell? And then I walked home too.
Really?
But like I need to.
Yeah.
I did. I want to go. My pool should be open today.
Really?
It should, like, I think it should be. I already opened it actually.
It's open?
No, I wish it was.
Oh.
Like, I would open it because I already opened it. Because we had nice weather. And, like, today is, like, really nice. It's, like, hot.
Yeah. When is it going to be open? Like, when's your pool party?
I don't know when our pool party is, but, like, it's going to be open, like, kind of, like, last year we didn't actually open the pool. Because there wasn't that good weather, so we waited till June too. But usually May 23rd weekend.
Really?
Yeah, no.
I still want to go. Am I vetted?
Yeah.
I should come. Oh, wait, I'm not allowed coming over, am I?
I don't know.
Oh. That's one day your grandma got mad at you. That was crazy. Crazy intense.
Well, my grandma takes stuff out on the weather. And sometimes she's in certain moods though, like she's like in a bad mood.
Yeah.
And then she can like, oh.
Does she always hit you? Oh.
Well, before I got spanked just because I want to take my fucking boots.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I know. Like.
She's probably used to back in the days when she was a child and the way things went her way.
It was actually when my grandpa did it. And then they used to always say like that they can spank you. Okay. They used to after that, and then like around it.
Look,
She still
Nell
does.
is holding Tori.
Look big.
Yeah, Janelle! Woo! Goodbye.
walking, then there's a school bus, and then somebody said something.
Really? That's amazingly intense.
Found it, and then like, didn't even do anything about it.
Same with my mom.
No, she always says stuff and doesn't even do anything.
Race taxi.
But I got my computer taken away like 5 times.
Really?
But I think like I would take it away because like